Hey guys, welcome to Morning with Pen. As always, I'm back again, and for today's video I'm going to make one of my all-time favorite recipe, that is smoked skin chutney. So I like, whether be it a fry with taro stew or with chutney, any form I like. So I'm so excited to share my favorite recipe. As you can see, these are the ingredients I'll be using. This is a fermented fish. This is an optional. If you like, you can add. If you don't like, you can skip it. It's not compulsory that you have to add, okay? So here are a bunch of coriander, ginger flowers or buds, and I have some ginger here, nguyung, fishman root, green chili, king chili, onion, garlic, and I have some fresh spring onions. So with that said, let's start cooking. I've soaked this for a while, but some it gets soft easily, some it's still hard, a bit hard, so I'm going to pressurize it. In a pressure cooker, add some water. I've already added, okay? Add some salt. Cover the lid and let's pressurize it for around like 15 to 20 whistles. While waiting for the skin to get cooked, let's start crushing some ginger. These are coriander's root, stem, garlic. Oops. I'll use only half king chili because it will be too spicy. Add some salt, fermented fish. I add a little bit of water so that it will be easy for me to mix. Now let's add this. Crushed ginger and garlic. Let's start mixing gently. Ooh, manam ka pa. Manam side. So here comes my all-time favorite recipe. Finally, it's done, and this is how it looks like. This is so spicy, so yum, so good, unbelievable. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so... Oh, I can't explain, I can't express. I really wish you guys could taste this through screen. You want some? Take a bite. So I hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. See you in my next video.